Today we will learn daily uses words because these words are very important. This is cough. C-O-U-G-H. Cough means खांसी लेना. And second is it is hiccup. H-I-C-C-U-P. Hiccup means हिचकी. Third is snore. S-N-O-R-E. Snore means खराटे लेना. Fourth word is yawn. This is yawn. Y-A-W-N. Yawn means उबासी लेना. And last word is burp. मुझे इसकी साउंड निकालनी नहीं आती, लेकिन burp means ढकार. Bye bye. B-U-R-P. Bye bye. Have a nice day.